Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Bowling Green. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This hotel in Ohio features an indoor pool and is located across from Bowling Green State University. Free Wi-Fi is available in the guest rooms along with coffee facilities. Hampton Inn Bowling Green features cable TV in every room. Select suites provide a spa tub. A business center and a gym are also available at the Bowling Green Hampton Inn. For guests' convenience, the hotel offers on-site laundry services. Interstate 75 is just minutes from this hotel. Downtown Toledo is 23.3 miles from the Hampton Inn of Bowling Green. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.